thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm very, very grateful. Today, as you can see, we are in my kitchen, and there is a reason for that, because I wanted to organize it with you today, and I'm super, super excited. I've been planning to do this video for quite some time, and I've waited for all of my containers to arrive, and they're finally here. So we'll see what happens, because I haven't tried them out yet, and we'll see how this is gonna go. Also, I wanted to mention that I'm going to tackle every single area in my kitchen today, besides my spice drawer, and also a couple of areas here and there, just because I've already filmed and posted a video about that, so you can check it out somewhere right here after you watch this video. If you are new to this channel, my name is Alina, and I post videos every week, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any videos that I film in the future about organization. And let's go ahead and get started with this video, because I cannot be more excited, and I hope you guys are excited too. So let's go ahead and get started. So first things first, I'm going to tackle these two drawers, just because they are insane, but they're not as insane as my fridge, because my fridge is ridiculous. Like, the transformation is real. Wait until you see. So I'm taking everything out, and while I was taking everything out, I've noticed that my honey spilled all over everything. Like, everything was covered in honey, and I had to wash all of my cans and stuff, so that was crazy.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, and you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect.
But I'm wiping everything down and making sure that it's clean, and then I'm ready to transfer everything into these containers. And they're super fun and super convenient to use. Actually, they're the perfect size. They're not big, they're not small, and they're perfect for flour, nuts, and stuff like that.
You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. You and I making fire, I can take ya. I can make it better, baby. Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. Love is an island, a never-ending vacation. I've been feeling selfish, I never want you to share it. We be right in the same wave. Oh, the water's perfect, babe. The heat is rising, the time is melting from my fingertips.
And for some things, they do need an instruction on how to use them. So for example, for these tapioca bowls or whatever this is, it's my husband's, I made sure that I put a recipe.
I can take ya, I can make it better, babe.
So the drawer that I'm tackling right now, I actually call it like my Asian drawer, just because I have a lot of Asian food in there, and I love Asian cuisine. Like, I cook Japanese, Chinese, Indian, like all that jazz. I cook all the time, and they are so delicious.
Every day feeling the same in a different way.
When I'm done transferring my ingredients and stuff like that, I'm putting everything back in place. And I only have 2 rows, even though I could have had like 3, because I wanted to leave some space to just leave some things loose, because they won't fit into like these containers. And I'm okay with it being imperfect as long as I maintain the rest of it. It's okay, because I understand that if I put too much pressure on myself and if I make it perfect, I'm gonna beat myself up if I buy something extra, or if something will go like loose in the drawer. So I definitely want to make sure that it's maintainable, if that's even a word, and also it's comfortable to use.
Running away every day, feeling the same in a different way. What do you think of it, babe, babe, babe? You and I making fire.
For the bottom drawer, I decided to transfer everything that I had organized from the drawer that is next to it, because it makes sense if like flour, spaghetti, and stuff like that is located below all the condiments and like improvised pantry. And my cat is always trying to get in the way, and she decided to sleep in there, so I couldn't close the drawer for quite a while. For my tea and spice drawer, I've already organized it, but still I decided to fill in all of the containers because I was running low on some stuff. And also I bought some new spices that I needed to transfer. So right now I'm just putting everything back in. Right below my spices, I decided to put like my cooking attire and cooking utensils there because I want easy access to those and I use them quite a lot during cooking. And this cabinet I called my baking cabinet just because I have all of my baking utensils there and also my mixer and scale and stuff like that. So I decided to keep it that way. I decided to just put it more neatly in there, but it stays the same. Good morning, everybody. So it is the next day. It is 10:47 right now. a.m. and I am ready to organize, even though I'm super tired and I want to go to bed so bad, but whatever. Yesterday I couldn't finish it because I have so much and it's been already kind of dark outside, so I decided to just kind of, continue a bit later. So today we're continuing everything. And if you think that my drawer with like the whole Asian not spices, with the Asian food was the worst, I'm telling you, my fridge is probably the worst area out of my whole house. It is just because I have been, I don't know, I'm motivated to keep it clean for some reason because this fridge is super small. It has no space whatsoever. It's super uncomfortable to use. Yeah, let me show you what we got here. And now we're gonna tackle my fridge. Again, this is the craziest area because it hasn't been cleaned like ever since we moved here, and yeah, it looks kind of crazy. So the system is basically the same. I am taking everything out, cleaning the surfaces, washing the glass dividers with soap and water. Then I'm putting everything back in like it's supposed to be, with containers and with all that jazz.
Something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things
All of my containers I got on Amazon, and I will make sure that I leave all the links down below so you can find it easily. And this container for eggs fits 12 of them.
I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up.
And I'm also using stackable containers where you can put like meat, cheese, and I'm sorry for all of the vegan people out here. We do eat meat sometimes.
I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I cannot do. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Million things I don't know what to do.
For my freezer, I'm not gonna do anything special. I'm just gonna organize it in a neat, tidy way and leave it like that. In this cabinet, I store like my plates and cups and stuff like that, and I decided to leave it that way too, but just organize it a little bit neatly because I just don't really have another place to put them. These cabinets are in our island and they are supposed to be like our snack cabinets, snack pantry, snack whatever. This is a very cool container that I got from Amazon, and it has 3 dividers and it helps you to stack your bars perfectly. And finally, nothing is laying around, no boxes, everything is super cute and stacked neatly. We have a shelf dedicated for my husband and we're gonna leave it like that, so he's got like his alcohol and some protein, so that's that. On the other side, I've put like glasses and our syrup and created like a mini bar. We don't really drink, so we don't really have much to store, but this is a general idea, so all of the bar things are gonna go here. Alrighty guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. That is it, and I really hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like and subscribe to my channel. And also, I really hope that you got some ideas on what you can do with your own home, and I'll see you in the next